Hi friends, my name is Rucha and I am here to teach you Sanskrit. Today we will see 8th standard Sanskrit of Maharashtra State Board, and this is one story of a crow. You might have heard this story in which the crow is very thirsty and he searches for water everywhere, but he couldn't find water. He is not able to find water anywhere. Finally he sees a pot filled with little water is there into it, and he throws stones into it, and he realizes that the water comes up, and once the water is up he is able to drink it, and then he flies away. So now complete the story in English, in Sanskrit. So let us see how it goes. See, the first word is, see, here you can see this, तालिकातः शब्दान् चित्वा कथां पूरयत. I am here. Okay, तालिकातः in the sense from this table. You need to शब्दान् चित्वा, choosing the words. You need to कथां पूरयत. That is complete the story. Okay, so now let's see. First, what we will do is, ये जो words दिए हैं उनके अर्थ समझ लेते हैं. We need to understand the meaning of these words. Bhavati means becomes. Then pashyati is sees, देखना. Then kshipati is throws. When we throw a ball from here to there, it is throws. That is kshipati. Then is khinna is sad. He becomes sad, that is khinna. Kakah is crow. Then you have pibati is drinks. Then agachati is comes. And भ्रमति is wanders. Wanders is घूमना, यहाँ से वहाँ घूमना. We keep roaming here and there, that is भ्रमति. Okay. Then let's see. Ekah dash ativa is very much. Trushartha is thirsty. Ekah dash ativa trushartha is one crow was very thirsty. Right? One dash is crow. Crow is kaka. So you will fill kaka here. Okay. So this kaka is done. Then you have sa atra tatra dash. Sa is he. Atra tatra. Atra is here. And tatra is there. So he dash here and there. He roams or wanders here and there. So it is Brahmati. He sa atra tatra Brahmati. Okay. So Brahmati is done. Then you have, so Kaka and Brahmati is done. Then you have Kaka and Brahmati, right? Yeah. Kintu jalam nasti. Kintu but. Jalam water. Nasti is na adhik asti. Now asti is to be there and na is not there. So na adhik asti becomes nasti. Okay. This na and a becomes na. Okay. So nasti says kintu jalam nasti, but water is not there. Okay. Then next, sah vane ekam ghatam dash. Sah is he, vane is in the forest, ekam one, ghatam pot, dash is in the forest, he dash one pot, that is he sees, right? In one forest he sees one pot. So sees is what? Sees is pashyati. Okay. So pashyati is done. So kaka, brahmati, pashyati is done. Okay. Kintu ghate jalam alpam. Kintu but ghate is in the pot. Jalam water. Alpam is very little. So but there is very little water in the pot. Saha dash bhavati. So looking at the little water, he becomes sad. Yeah. So sad is khinnaha. So here you write saha khinnaha bhavati. Okay. So we done with kakaha, then we had done with brahmati, then we saw pashyati, and we saw khinnaha, right? Did we see anything else? No. That's it. Saha ghatasya samipe पाषाणखण्डान् पश्यति. Sah is he. Ghatasya samipe, that is near the pot. And samipe is near, so near the pot. Pashan Khandan is the stones. Pashyati sees, he sees little stones near the pot. Sah ekaikam Pashan Khandam Ghate. Sah is he. Ekaikam is one. Pashana Khandam is stone. Ghate in the pot. Dash. What does he do? He throws one stone into the pot. So he throws is Shipati. Sah Ghate Pashana Khanda. Sah Ekaikam Pashana Khandam Ghate Kshipati. Tena Jalam Upari Agachati. Very good. Tena, by that, jalam is water, upari is up. Okay. And it comes up, right? The water comes up. So comes is agachati. Gachati is to go. So agachati will be comes. Then kaka jalam dash santushta cha dash. So kaka jalam. Then the water comes up. Then what does the crow do? He drinks the water, right? So he drinks the water. So kaka jalam pibati. Where is pibati? Yeah. Kaka jalam pibati santushta cha dash. So he drinks water and becomes santushta. Santushta is satisfied. So he drinks water and becomes satisfied. Satisfied is santushta, but he becomes satisfied. So becomes is bhavati. So kaka jalam pibati santushta cha bhavati. Yes, the story is done. Thank you so much. God bless you.